If there's one thing I understand, it's just how hard it is to get leads. One of the things I like to focus on is utilizing data scraping to get them. So there's a lot of cool stuff we can do with that, and we can even use AI to make our own custom cold calling scripts. If you are interested in getting this automation as well as any of the code that was involved with it, feel free to take a look at my school community. It's called the Keras Automation Forge. However, if you don't feel like it, no worries, because I'm about to walk you through it right now. Today, I thought I would try out a different format because I'll be honest, I just straight up suck at recording videos, and this sounds a lot more fun if I just kind of shit out whatever's in my mind and just kind of walk you guys all through it. I'm on a website called Scrape Table and scraped a bunch of data, so we're going to use that. We're going to start with make.com. It's like a pretty big automation platform. Earlier on, I went ahead and made a Python script. You can see it's right here. This is going to upload all my stuff. So we're going to use a webhook for this one. All right, so I'm going to run it right now, and then we're going to test this, wait for new data. There it is. Let me go ahead and pull you over my code so you can see the actual data I scraped. It gives you a bunch of locations, so you'll get like the name, the full address, and then the time zone. Ooh, I didn't even see it had the website. So you have my data, you know what this looks like. Let's start playing around with it. It's going to store this in a Google Sheet. So let's send this straight over to an OpenAI model. So I'm envisioning we use this as a cold calling sort of thing, since we already have the phone numbers. We don't have email addresses, so there's no point. Let's go ahead and create a completion prompt. These ones, they don't have memory built into them. It's just using what you sent it. We have system, user, assistant. The system role, that's the overarching commander. You know, I've used a lot of AI models, and I used to text in what I want it to do and then play around and kind of break it till it works. But I find if you just enter it into ChatGPT, you're going to do way better. So this is my system role. So you are a professional sales assistant specialized in creating personalized cold calling opening scripts for business outreach. You use the provided business details to craft engaging, relevant, and professional opening scripts that capture the interest of the business owner or manager. Focus on brevity, clarity, and professionalism. Perfect. So we're going to add another message. This is where you're inputting the information you want the AI to use. So it says, here's the business information. Create a cold calling opening script that introduces a caller and their purpose, mentions a specific aspect of the business, offers value proposition, and ends with an engaging question to keep the conversation going. Obviously, we don't have a business, so you're going to get something generic, but in the future, you can have something quick in here of like what your business generally does. We can do the admin prompt, just like a bit more of extra guidance, and you can copy in additional commands. If the business type is missing or unclear, focus on crafting a generic but engaging script for a small business. Avoid overly technical language or jargon. Highlight common pain points in customer engagement. I think this is so funny though, because like we haven't even defined what our business actually is, but we'll see. And then let's try add a row. So my drive, let's see, is there any spreadsheets I've got? Okay, now we got it. And then yes, our table has headers. So we have first name, last name, company name, industry, and then we do want to add in the message. Cool. Let's do, this one's going to be the name. We'll have the address. We'll have the rating, number. I think we'll just go with types. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, data came in, got analyzed, and potentially placed. Let's see. Check the message out. Oh, that's your script. Let's go ahead and check out my Google Sheet real quick. Oh, would you look at that? We have the name, address, that's a phone number, what they specialize in, and hey, this is Blank from Blank. I was reviewing Novi Family Dentistry, and I couldn't help but notice your impressive 4.8 star rating with over 119 reviews. Congratulations on maintaining such a stellar reputation. So I work with dental practices like yours to help attract even more local patients by enhancing their online presences and streamlining appointment booking systems. With so many services under one roof, from cosmetic dentistry to emergency care, have you considered any strategies to stand out? I did cold calling, and I'd say it's a pretty solid starter line considering we don't have any information on my own company. So yeah, there you have it. This right here is a make sequence to create automatic cold calling openers for scraped businesses online. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun making this one. If you are interested in creating automations like this and integrating different scraping or marketing research or all these other tools, feel free to check out my channel. A subscription will really help me out. I'll also have all the completed automations available in my school community, so check that out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.